Hey guys, I am Aradhya and in this video I will be showing you how to create Android 8.0 user interface in your device. So watch till the end, and before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss anything. Now to get started, go to the Play Store and then search for the app called Audio UI for Android Beta. This app is free, you can download it. I have already downloaded it. So once you have downloaded it, tap on the open, and to get started, press on the start button. After that, you will find the interface something like this. I will also leave a link for the app in the description below. You can download it from there. There is an option for Google Assistant even if your device doesn't support. This is not a fully featured app, but it will let your device to get out of the boring user interface to an awesome and cool interface. If you like this video, leave the video with a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe and leave the questions or suggestions if you have any in the comment section below. Thanks for watching guys. See you again in my next video.